I'm gonna be rich from day trading. I don't know when, but I know it's gonna happen. I've been documenting my whole journey online, and this is week number 22 of trying to get my first payout from day trading at 17 years old. If you're just tuning in, make sure you check out my whole series right here. Check out this playlist right here. Make sure you watch those videos. Check them out from start to finish. And make sure you check out my socials down in the description below. Follow my TikTok and my Instagram because I post daily on there too. But here's a recap of my whole journey so far, and here's a recap of last week. And last week was not the best week, but it wasn't the worst week, so I ain't really tripping. So this week, all we need is like 2 trades to pass this account, and then we should be off to So if we just stay calm and take good A+ setups this week, we can actually pass this account, and then week 23 we can be funded and trying to get this payout real soon. But let's just go ahead and get into it. Here's how we ended up losing $910 today day trading. So we took two of the worst trades possible. We ended up forcing trades because I haven't took no trades in a minute, and I've been on this eval account for a long time. So I just wanted in my right mind, bro, and I ended up forcing two bad trades. None of them aligned with my setup even one bit. But we ended up taking them, and we ended up just getting stopped out on both. But we did have a tight stop loss, so we didn't end up losing a lot as we should have because I knew it was a bad trade. So I just put my stop very low. So first trade coming in is obviously bullish, right? So I just try to go with the trend, targeting the previous high day, and it just stopped me out instantly. And then this other trade, I try to go down, see if it's gonna retrace into this 15-minute fair value gap. And I didn't even have no entry for it. I just took it for both, and that's just on me. So we definitely almost about to blow our account. I think one more loss and we just blow our account. So it's all good. We just gonna I don't know, just take better trades. Here's how we ended up blowing our account today. We took a good, decent trade and we won it big. We risked kind of heavy, right? And we ended up winning this quick 1-on-1 RR trade. Risked 3 contracts. We ended up winning big, right? So I was only 1,000 away from um my profit target and passing this eval account after I won this trade. So then I got into the mindset of okay, let me just take any trade, let me risk heavy, and let me just hurry up and pass the eval account today. And I was just taking trades that didn't even align with my strategy, didn't even align with my setup. And after doing that a couple times, we ended up blowing the account. And this is exactly what happened last time. Last time I just got into the mindset, oh, I only need a couple more dollars to pass to get a payout. And then I tried to force, trading not good setups. And then we ended up blowing that account. Same with this time. I learned nothing from last time, but I guess it's all a learning experience, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, we ended up blowing this account. And we'll be back soon enough, but definitely might take a little break from this because I don't know what I was thinking. That wraps up week number 22 of trying to get my first payout from day trading at 17 years old. And as you can see, man, very short video, 2 days, and we ended up blowing the account. And it was completely my fault, just taking dumb trades. I was just focusing on the money because I've been on this eval account for too long. I was just focused on the money and I won't focus on trading. I was just focusing on that payout. And every time I do that, I always end up blowing my account. I literally took a banger trade. Boom. I should have just stepped off the charts right then and there. But of course, I was forcing. I just kept forcing, kept risking heavy just so I can hurry up and pass it when it's no need to be in a rush, truly. I ain't gonna lie. I definitely, after this week, I need to just take a step back, watch my videos, see what I'm doing wrong, look at my journal, and just regroup for a little bit and take a little slight break. Not too long, but just a little break so I can get my mind together, get my mind right because this is unacceptable and why I keep being greedy and why I keep doing what I do. But the lesson I learned from this week, obviously, is don't be greedy and don't focus on money. Because every time I do that, I always force trades and I always blow the accounts every time, every single time. This happened time and time again. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, but I obviously didn't. But I hope you guys did. So make sure y'all stay tuned for next week. We're going to get another eval account. We're going to be fresh off. We're going to be fresh off a break. So then, boom, we going to be good because we're going to be fresh off a break. We're going to get our mental right. We're going to get our mind right. We're going to have a fresh eval account. man, we gonna be good, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that week, cause I'm excited. Cause after that week, man, I feel like I'm gonna actually pass this account and actually get this on this upcoming weeks. But check out my other video right here. Stay tuned to the channel and peace out.